Hello everyone, I'm Carrie, and now I will show you one of our best-selling the solar floor light. And this model we have 25 watt, 50, 60, 100, 200, and 300 power for your choice. And this model is made from high temperature glass and die casting aluminum. The waterproof lighting is IP67. Yeah, so you don't worry. It can also work in at a rain. This one is solar model, so it can charge during daylight and work. When you charge this model, if the deep gray is full, it will stop. Yeah, so it's very safe. Okay, and now you can see this is the remote control, and it's very intelligent. It is infrared remote control, and the range is 8 to 10 meters, and they are very nice because it has so many models for your choice. Like this one, if you open after dark, it will close after 3 hours, and this is also, yeah. And if you want to know more details about this model, you can contact February.